Are your edits not getting the views you want? Do your edits not look as professional as those by the big editors? Sound design. Most editors overlook sound design in their edits, which is why they don't get enough views. Remember, we see more with our ears than with our eyes. A good sound design can make your edits better, and who doesn't want better edits? Today, I'm going to show you the power of sound design. I'll demonstrate how adding sound effects can transform your edits. Let me show you the difference. From this to this, welcome to our new video. We'll be diving into a free anime voices pack with over 700 voices and a simple tutorial on how to use them to make your edits stand out. This voice pack is the only thing you need to make better AMVs. It includes a vast array of voices like Light Yagami's evil laugh, Rengoku's powerful scream, Madara's famous dialogue,
Wake up to reality.
Gojo's strongest line, and much more. To make your life easier, we've organized the pack into individual folders, each catering to a specific category or sound type. Picture this. You've downloaded the voice pack and you're ready to start editing. But where do you begin? In this video, I will give a tutorial on how to use my voice pack and SFX pack effectively. It's not an advanced tutorial, but it will give you a solid foundation. Since it's just the basics, you may not need any specific software. You can use it in any editing program because the basics apply everywhere. So, feel free to follow along with your favorite software. Remember that SFX pack I released a while back? Well, don't forget to check it out because I'm also using it in this video to make my edit better. The combination of these packs will truly elevate your AMVs. Both links are in the description, so make sure to grab them after watching this tutorial. Let's dive into the tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be using a Floby edit for sound designing. I've removed his original SFX sound design, leaving just the normal non-edited song. All the sound effects you'll hear are from my packs. We'll start with music to set the tone. Add your edit and music in the timeline. After that, there are probably 6 layers of sound design that we can do. The first thing that excites me the most here are the swoosh and whoosh sounds. These sounds emphasize fast movements and transitions, making your edit feel dynamic and alive. Alright, let's dive in. Check out different swoosh and whoosh sounds for better effects. Drag the SFX into the timeline and set it at transitions or character movements. Let's do the same for every moment or transition we can find in the edit. Let's preview it. That's epic! Next, we have cloth sounds. Think of a character moving stealthily. Adding cloth sounds can make their movements more realistic and immersive. Time to get sneaky. Find where the character's clothes move and add the cloth sounds. Let's find cloth sounds. Add it to the timeline. And yeah, don't forget to mute the previous SFX so you can listen to the new SFX properly. Wow, that's spot on. It feels like you can almost hear the tension. Let's do the same wherever we find cloth sounds. Let's preview it. Layer 3, sword sounds. For those epic battle scenes, sword sounds are a must. They add a layer of intensity and excitement. Find where Sasuke holds his sword and add the sounds quickly. Here we go. Let's preview it. That's great. Those sword slashes are so intense. It's like you're right there in the battle. Layer 4, Electric Sounds. Imagine a character charging up an attack. Electric sounds can heighten the effect and make the scene more thrilling. Let's mute the previous SFX. Now let me drag the SFX wherever Sasuke's electricity is visible. Okay, let's preview. Oh, that's electrifying. Layer 5, Hits and Explosions. Adding hits and explosion sounds will bring impact to fight scenes, making each blow and blast feel powerful. Boom! Let's add those explosive sounds and preview it. Oh my, that's so brutal. It's like the whole scene just exploded with energy. Layer 6, Voice and Powers. Finally, incorporate voice and power sounds to give your edit an epic feel. These sounds bring the characters to life and add depth to the story. Time for the grand finale. Go in my pack, find the Naruto folder, then find the Sasuke voice folder.
If you're not interested,
Not this.
answer me.
Not this. Here it is. Let's drag it into the timeline. Now add more voices and power sounds like Sasuke's Chidori. Nice. Let's preview it. This is so epic, it's like a whole new level of awesome. Now, fine-tuning the audio. Once you have all the voices and sound effects in place, it's time to fine-tune the audio. Adjust the volume levels to ensure the voices are clear and the effects are balanced. Listen to the entire edit a few times, making small adjustments as needed. The goal is to create a cohesive audio experience that enhances the visuals. Let's see what we've done. That is insane. Now, do you want to hear it with the song? Let's go. And that's it. With these layers and fine-tuning techniques, you can significantly enhance your AMVs with high-quality sound design. If you need an in-depth tutorial on SFX, feel free to comment below. And yeah, don't forget to check out my previous SFX Pack video, which got almost 250k plus views. Thanks for that.